Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat canned fish. First, choose your preferred type, like delicious sardines or versatile tuna. Most cans feature a convenient pull tab on the lid. Gently lift this tab and peel it back slowly. Always be mindful of the can's edges, as they can be quite sharp. This simple step gets you ready for a quick and satisfying meal. After opening, it's time to prepare your fish. If your fish is packed in oil or water, carefully drain away the excess liquid. You can use the lid to help press it out. Next, take a fork and gently flake the fish, especially if it's a larger piece like tuna. Some people prefer to remove any visible bones or skin, though many varieties are perfectly fine to eat as is. Now, transfer your fish to a clean bowl. Now for the best part, enjoying your canned fish. For a super quick snack, you can eat it directly from the can. It's also fantastic mixed with a bit of mayonnaise and chopped celery for a classic sandwich or wrap. Try adding it to your favorite green salad for an easy, protein-packed lunch. A simple yet delicious option is serving it on crackers with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a dash of black pepper. There are so many ways to enjoy this versatile food. If you have any leftover canned fish, it's important to store it properly. Transfer any unused portions to an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator. For the best quality and safety, consume the refrigerated fish within 2 to 3 days. Always remember to check the expiration date printed on the can before you open it. Canned fish is a fantastic, convenient, and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in countless ways, making it a pantry staple for many.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.